Hi everyone, welcome back. Very quick update on Clover Finance, and just to say that from my previous video where I advised that we may be wicking down to 69 cents and taking a bounce, that is indeed what's happened, and I'll move you to the hour chart in a minute. But what I wanted to show you is some patterns of movement with Clover. So in essence, when we find a new low, we tend to have 2 days of upward movement, and that seems to be 40% to 80% as a general rule of thumb. So once we find the bottom, we move, again find the low and we move. So this isn't one that likes to consolidate sideways for any sort of real period of time. It finds a low and then it jumps higher, and then we either come back to a support area and move again, or we come back, find a new low. But again, we always, very rare you see this type of action where you're just sort of moving sideways. We're either moving downwards or we're moving up. I like that about a token. It makes things far easier to predict. Yeah, so we've been following suit with Bitcoin. I think we can pull back here, 4th of December. Let me just switch to the hourly. Yeah, so 4th of December, made a low and we moved. Since then, we've been sort of regressing back, and we've made this new low most recently, where we pulled back to 69 cents on the 31st of December, and then we had a move up to 75, so it's about a 15% move to the upside, and then now we've actually wicked lower, back down to 68.9, and the only time we've done that previously was where we actually catapulted out of here. So since we've made the low last night of 68.9, we have been making consistent higher lows. I do expect once we break free of this resistance zone at 719, we'll have a nice candle to the upside, something along the lines of here, and also just jumping back to the daily, as we've not actually had a significant move higher. I do expect that we'd see something that would take us up to around the dollar mark, at the very least, into the 90s, to find some fresh support and good momentum. So I have opened a position on this token once we bounced at the 69 point. So watch this space. Let's see what happens. It's not financial advice, but as I said in the last video, this is one that if it bounced at the 69 point and started to move higher, it is one I'd look at, and I am in short. So this is another one of those occasions where I put my money where my mouth is. So good luck to everyone who's in, and yeah, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin, see what's going on. So yeah, Bitcoin is recovering well. It's back into that support resistance channel. So I'll come back to Bitcoin in a few hours time. All right, take care everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon.